everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get Adobe Photoshop for free using MegaSync. So what you want to do is you want to head to the link in the description below and it will take you to this download page for Photoshop. So what you want to do is you just want to sign up and then you want to click download and then you just wait for that to download and I'll be right back. Alright, now once it's downloaded and it says completed, it would either come up at the bottom or you can just go to your downloads and just click show in folder. So it's gone onto my other monitor, but I'll bring it up. So here it is. So you click on Photoshop, serial text, and you want to copy this right here. And then you just close it, and then you click setup.exe, click run, click yes, English, next, I accept. Where do you want to put it? I want to put it in my D drive, so I'm just press OK. Next, Photoshop, create a desktop icon, and then you want to copy and paste that serial you just got before. Click next, and then click install, and then wait for this to install. And then click finish, and it should be on your desktop right here. So you click on this, click yes, and it's loading. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Join my Discord if you want some help or anything like that. And yeah, appreciate it. Thanks for watching.